Hi, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Juicing for Health. I'm your presenter, Sarah. Yes, so diabetes is a condition that deals with sugar issues, and therefore, there are sometimes the sugar levels are high, that's glucose. Sometimes the glucose levels are low, and some people are insulin resistant. But today, we won't go into those details because there's already a video for that. We're just looking at juicing for health for a diabetic patient. This is part 1 where we'll deal with certain fruits that can regulate need for anti-diabetic drugs. Yes, when you take these fruits, they are going to help you not to depend so much on the artificial insulin, but to have it naturally. So, disclaimer is that the information is for educational purposes and is not meant to replace any qualified health professional advice. Therefore, it's your duty to exercise due diligence by ensuring that you consider your medical prescriptions and always seek medical advice. When you feel like you're having some symptoms for a certain disease, don't assume that this is the condition, just confirm with a medical practitioner. Yes. So what are the fruits that may take care of this insulin? The fruits, the major one is avocado. Believe we know avocado. So when you take avocado, a research which was done in a university in Ethiopia revealed that avocado is an insulin-secreting stimulant in beta cells of the pancreas, where insulin is produced. Therefore, when you make avocado smoothie, you can add some almonds. You can add mangoes. Almonds are good in reducing sugar levels, and also cinnamon is good in preventing associated conditions arising from diabetes. Therefore, it's good you make your smoothie with avocado, mangoes, almonds, and cinnamon. And what are the properties of this smoothie? It is anti-diabetic, just lowers cholesterol levels, it's nutritive, it is good for the arteries, and also it's alkalizing. Remember, cancer cells like thriving in an acidic environment. Therefore, when you'll be alkalizing your body, you'll also be preventing cancer. And also we have antioxidants. Antioxidants are also good for cancer prevention, and they're also good for this condition called diabetes. And then, so these are our mangoes. What are the ingredients you need? You just need 1 medium mango. If you are preparing a juice for 4, that's around 250 ml servings. You will need 1 medium mango, and you need 2 cups of almond milk. If you don't know how to make almond milk, ask and you'll be directed how to do it. 1 medium avocado, which is about 201 grams, and then you will need 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. This one now, if you have the cinnamon sticks, grind them to make powder because it's efficient to use. Yes, I believe all these ingredients are available in the market, and if there's any you have difficult finding, like almonds and cinnamon, just comment and I'll be able to assist you to get them. And also, how do we prepare? Preparation for our smoothie. We'll need to peel and remove the pit of both mangoes and avocado. Yes, and remember to remove also the seed. And then place all ingredients in a blender. Remember, there is no adding water because avocado and mango, they are kind of juicy, so you don't need to add water. Then mix all the ingredients, blend until you get a smooth consistency. Remember that it's a smoothie and not a juice. So it can be sweetened. In case you need to sweeten it more, you can add a calorie-free sweetener called stevia. Stevia is a plant that is so sweet. Just a teaspoon, you can sweeten even 5 liters. It is so sweet. So you need it, and it is very efficient because it doesn't add any calories. It's very effective for sweetening or even other green teas and other juices you may need to take as a diabetic person or for prevention of diabetes. Yes, now our juice is ready to take. There it is. So it can be taken as a full meal. You can decide, like, today my breakfast is going to be a smoothie, or you can say tonight I'm taking a smoothie for supper, and that one is full of calories, nutrients, therefore you don't need anything extra to make a full meal. It's ready to take, so you can enjoy with your loved ones. Remember, it is just food, therefore there's no harm in sharing the juice with others. It's not a must you be diabetic for you to take this. You can always use, and it's very much efficient and very much healthy to everyone in the family. Thank you for watching, and for more, you can follow us on Facebook, STEMSA Eden Tips, Instagram, STEMSA.EdenTips, and also on YouTube, STEMSA Eden Tips. Subscribe for more, and God bless you. Bye.